Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at our new tailless Turn Plus backup module for the 2014 to 2016 Subaru Forester. Now this kit enables your tail light to be converted to LED, and that tail light will then also function as your turn signal and hazard. At the same time, you can convert your old turn signal location to an additional backup light for dramatically increased visibility when reversing at night. Today we're going to be going over the basic installation procedures for this kit, and while we're in there, we're also going to be upgrading the factory backup light to an LED bulb in addition to the secondary running light. The whole installation only takes a few minutes and can be done at home in your garage. Let's get started. To get started on the installation of our tailless turn kit, we're going to remove 2 screws from the very back of the housing using a 10mm socket. Once you have these removed, you'll simply give the tail light a tug to pull it out. Now with the taillight out, we're going to start by disconnecting the factory taillight connection. Now this connection can be a little stubborn, so you might use a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to break it loose. Next, we're going to remove our factory tail, turn, reverse, and running lights. Simply turn each socket counterclockwise to pull out the stock bulb. With the stock bulb out, you can simply plug in your Diode Dynamics LED replacement. Insert the bulb back into the housing and turn clockwise to secure it. Now with the tailless turn module installed, we won't actually be using the factory turn signal location as a turn signal anymore. We're going to convert it to a secondary backup light with this LED backup bulb. We're also going to be upgrading the factory reverse light with this LED backup light. And lastly, we're going to be replacing this factory running light with an LED upgrade. With our new bulbs installed, it's time to plug in our tailless turn module. Now this will connect right up to the factory wiring. We'll go ahead and set the taillight back in place and make sure that all of our bulbs are functioning properly. Once we're sure that everything is secured and connected correctly, we'll tuck away our resistor away from any wires or things that would be sensitive to heat, as this resistor can get a little hot. Then we'll re-secure the taillight using the 2 screws we removed earlier. When testing your new bulbs, if any of them don't light up, don't worry, it's a simple fix. Simply pull the bulb out of the socket, rotate it 180 degrees, and plug it back in. With your taillight re-secured, repeat all these same steps on the other side to complete your installation. With your new tailless turn module installed, you'll not only enjoy an LED-powered 21st century look for your Forester, you'll also be far more visible to other drivers when braking, turning, using your hazards, and you'll also get far more visibility when reversing at night. This kit is available right now on diodedynamics.com, so visit our website for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.